Kia ora. Finding your WITT class timetable is easy as, when you're on our homepage, select Timetables here. Scroll down to 2020 timetable. Select Program. Type in your program. Filter. Now we have Semester 1, Semester 2, Hawera Semester 1, Hawera Semester 2. So I'm going to look for Semester 2 and I'm looking at Trimester 2, all week, Monday to Sunday, view timetable. Now I can see my timetable for the week, and on Friday I have class from 9 AM through to 12 o'clock, and it has the tutor, the location A304. I can click on this and a little preview window comes up too. Thank you.